Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch. If you're new to Twitch and you want to start streaming on it, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can. The first thing you need to do is download an application called OBS Studios. This is a software which allows you to stream and also record your screens. You can easily find it on the website of OBS Studios. Search for OBS Studios download and you can click on this link and you can easily download it for Linux, Mac and Windows. Choose your option. Once the download is complete, you need to install it and then just open it up. Once you open it, click on the settings option that you see on the bottom right and click on the stream option. Now once you're here, you just click on the option on the top and make sure that Twitch is selected. Once you do, click on use stream key. Now you need to enter the stream key of Twitch. To find it, open up twitch.tv on your browser. Click on the profile icon on the top right. Click on settings and then click on channel and video. Once you're here on the left panel, you'll see a couple of options. Click on the stream option. If this is not showing, make sure you expand the settings again. Click on stream and there is your stream key. You can click on show and reveal this, but for now I'm just gonna click on copy. Once the key has been copied, head back to OBS and just paste it in. Once the link has been pasted, you can click on apply on the bottom. Click on OK. Now to start streaming, you just click on start streaming on OBS Studios and your stream will be ready and you'll start streaming on Twitch. There are many other streaming platforms that you can use, but OBS Studios is the most used application. So that's it. That's how you can stream on Twitch. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.